Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily remove a card in Revolut. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just come here to cards. When you will be in the cards, you will see your card here. And when you're gonna scroll down, you're gonna see settings. When you're gonna click settings, you're gonna see here remove card. Just click on it. And now you see the text here. This card will be permanently removed from your account. You will be able to order replacement card after. And now you just want to click remove and you got it. Quite simple, quite easy. And that's it. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I will be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance or support. If you enjoyed this video, you can support and subscribe. I'll be thankful for it. Thank you. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.